Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you gardening enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the 2WAYZ hose splitter, a heavy-duty, two-way garden hose splitter that's making waves in the world of outdoor watering. Stick around to find out why this is the best garden hose splitter you can get your hands on. The 2WAYZ hose splitter is designed to enhance your watering experience and simplify your outdoor tasks. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the competition. The latest version of this dual water hose connector is engineered with bolted components to ensure a firm and secure connection. Say goodbye to flimsy splitters that can't handle the pressure. Installing this splitter is a breeze, and it comes with extended handles for easy on-off control. These handles are designed with a comfortable 4 cm length, making it perfect for everyone, including those with stiff hands. Plus, no tools are required for installation. The end of the splitter features a long, smooth thread with a rubber ring that effectively prevents leaks. You can trust it to keep your watering system leak-free, no matter the weather conditions. If you've ever struggled with a hard-to-reach or recessed faucet, this hose adapter has got you covered. It provides extra maneuverability, prevents scraped knuckles, and makes filling watering cans and buckets a breeze. 2WAYZ has truly revolutionized heavy-duty hose bibs with this pioneering design. It's the first of its kind on the market and is built to last, just like all 2WAYZ gardening products. With the holiday season around the corner, this hose splitter makes for a fantastic Christmas gift idea. Whether it's for a gardening enthusiast or anyone who enjoys outdoor activities, this product is sure to bring joy. But wait, there's more good news. The 2WAYZ hose splitter is currently available at a special Black Friday deal price. You can get your hands on this high-quality garden tool for just $19.99, down from the list price of $28.99. That's a fantastic discount you don't want to miss out on. In conclusion, the 2WAYZ hose splitter is the best garden hose splitter available in the market today. Its durability, ease of use, and leak-free design make it a must-have for any gardening or outdoor enthusiast. And with the special Black Friday deal price of just $19.99, there's never been a better time to upgrade your watering game. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening!